Hey guys, today we are reacting to Airplane Crashes, Midair Collisions and Dogfights 11 by Big Mathis. Yeah, let's go. The game's Besiege, by the way. Ah, that was pretty bad. Not that bad. Well, that aeroplane, it just got shattered into 90. That was a glitch in the Matrix. What was a glitch in the Matrix? It hit in the ground and exploded into a million pieces. Mathis.
Approaching minimum.
Good landing gear. Actually, I think that's not safe. I think the right landing gear is kind of shaking.
200. 100.
Is that safe?
50. 40.
Yeah, and a bit
20. 10.
Also, why would you land right there? That's not a PC. Yeah. Expired, yes, I definitely survived. Okay. Wait, is that an F? And that's death. Guess? No, it's an F-U-35 Flamemaker versus... That's a Eurofighter Typhoon. A Eurofighter Typhoon. I know what that means, I'm not dumb. Oh, it
launching second Sidewinder missile.
This is what happens when you cut money out of the military and put it into healthcare.
Okay, well. He got hit by his own missile. Haha. Emperor C-39 versus Patriot missile. You're dead. Patriot missiles are no joke. No joke. You're dead in this situation. You're going right for the ground. That was 200, maybe 300. Yeah, with your shattered pieces. You're not surviving that one.
Traffic.
Bad. Well, like for the main plane, it was bad. Yeah, that was a really bad crash. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Only 2 minutes into the video. This is amazing. By the way, go and subscribe to this guy. His name's Big Mathis. If you didn't hear it in the intro. Big Mathis. Or like, whatever his name is. It's very close to that. And he just makes his Besiege crash videos. That's basically all he does. Oh! That Eurofighter by an SU-57. Wait, that's one of those, like, you know, yeah, there's a radar thing. Oh, versus a missile launcher. I think it might survive. Maybe not, actually. Maybe not. Oh no, it's dead. It's dead. It's hot. Maybe not.
Speed.
Pull up.
I think if I was in like the back of the plane, I would survive.
Gear. Too low. Terrain.
Maybe not. Maybe the pilots would survive. A Boeing 737 versus a Boeing something 7, because I don't want to say it. It's 2026, guys. No saying the forbidden number. That's not that bad. That was not that bad. Guys, those pilots definitely don't survive. Yeah, that's. Okay, well, like, the reason I'm making this video is because last time the video got like 100 views. Like, that's like peak content. Like, yeah. What plane is this? I think this is a Eurofighter. No, that's an assault rifle on an issue. Why does that plane look so fat at the bottom? On the top, it doesn't look that bad, but at the bottom, it looks disgusting. Literally disgusting. Oh, that. Oh. This plane kind of has plot armor. Now we're on just not. Oh, yeah, they just exploded into them. An Airbus A320. I've never been on an airplane before. I've been on Poland, not airplanes. Yeah, like, considering what's happening right now, I don't want to go on an Airbus plane anymore. Imagine you were Emerald Siege just falling from the sky.
Right, let's go. Best of luck. Come on, come on. Voltorb, energy removal. Oh my.
Okay. A Boeing 767. Okay, ERG. ERG is really dangerous. I don't know why. You know, it will not have done that much damage. Come on, pilot.
Too low.
Come on, these are garbage.
Terrain.
Oh wait, there's actually a pilot there. And I think he survived. Oh, he might have got some brain damage though. Okay, that's an F-14 top. That's an F-18. They are very, and that's mid. That's a Russian aircraft. That's not American.
Bingo.
Russian America.
Block.
The most hated countries on earth. But sorry if I'm offending you. I don't mean to offend you. I'm not pacifist. I love army. Okay, it's C-Ram. I think that's like a 737. Tell me what that was in the comments. I think for what was it? Maybe it's an Airbus plane. I don't know. Remember, tell me in the comments what that plane was. I did see it. Okay, that's like a cargo plane versus a military. No, but if it's a military plane versus a military plane, is that... That's good. Oh!
Terrain. Pull up. Terrain.
That was pretty bad!
Terrain. Pull up.
You're crossing into the trees. Smash into them. You're dead. Why are the trees flat? Why the trees? So it's a Dassault Raphael versus F-2. Yay! Good. How much time is left in this magical video? 2 minutes. Perfect. Okay, well that plane is like dead. Like that's dead. Did a pretty good job, surprisingly. Oh, they're floating from the sky. Oh, that guy. Oh, decapitation. Sad. Time for some aerial acrobatics. Big Mathis doesn't use represent. And it is Big Mathis, so it's like up in the top left corner. Big Mathis.
Bingo. Block.
So it's an F-15E Ego verse. That plane had a really weird name. I think it was like fish or something. I don't know. Okay, these are Su-34s. What? Why are their foreheads so large? Calm down with your forehead. Oh my god! They've been pumping too much gas into that thing. This is an Su-37, or is it 57? It should be one of those. Okay, well, this is the end of the video. Goodbye.